Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any of the metals in Blender 4.1. For example, you can see this is a piece of gold, and this is a piece of copper, this is a piece of silver. How to make this in Blender 4.1. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. The first step, what you need to do is just go to my video descriptions. I already put a link at there. The Freedom Metalic Materials Pack 1. You can just go and download this pack, go and get this pack first. Once you already get this pack, then you open it. You can see for all of these metals like aluminum, brass, bronze, chrome, cobalt, copper, gold, iron, nickels, platinum, the iron rust, silver, steel, titanium, all of this. If you open it, inside here, these are the materials that I already set up properly and already 100% accurate to create any of the metals in Blender. So we are going to test it. Just for example, I just create a new Blender project file. The first step, I press A and press delete to delete everything, then I show material. Next, I'm going to add any of the mesh as an example. Alright, now I have a piece of mesh, 3D mesh. Next step, just go to here, material, click plus new, material. Then go to the shading, right? Go to the shading, then next, just look at here. What you need to do is just import the textures. Right now, I'm going to test with copper. The first one is the base color. Drag to here, then connect it to the base color. Right, now you can see the base color already. Next, we are going to connect the metallic and roughness. You can see the metallic and roughness. The roughness is here, metallic is here. These two maps are very important. So next, I'm going to just import the metallic and roughness. Next, just connect it to here. You can see metallic. This is metallic. You connect the metallic to here. Then, next is connect the roughness to here. Now you can see all connected. Then this is a piece of copper. Of course, if you connect like this, all of these are just the material texture. If you already create a 3D model, you export the 3D model as FBX file or any of the OBJ file, then all of this will automatically exported and embedded. I'm going to show you how. Let's say this is a piece of copper. You click File, Export, FBX on my desktop. The path mode, you have to choose copy, and here just embed it to make sure all of these three pieces of the material texture were embedded inside the FBX file. Now I'm going to export it on my desktop. Export, and here this is the FBX file. I opened it. So all of these materials will automatically bring to here. And actually, you can just skip the metallic and roughness. If you don't connect it, then it just left the base color. Actually, you can adjust the roughness here and metallic here. Adjust the variable, you can create the same effect as well. However, for some other third-party software like the iClones, it may not support all of these numbers that you drag in Blender. So you better connect the metallic map to the metallic and also the roughness map to the roughness. Right. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create any metals in Blender. And just check the list there. There are so many metals that I provided. So totally there are 14 materials, and glad you like it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to a 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel And also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!